I'm like आज पिंपल है तो है, आज स्किन उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो है life.
Skin issues are a part of life.
Yeah. I prefer not taking too long to get ready. I'm really trying to prioritize self-care as much as possible. I'm not someone who is like, अरे मैं तो ना 6 महीने 1 साल से लगातार no.
Hey everyone, this is Hesha Chima. Somebody who I'm talking to right now is a girl slash woman slash lady whose personal style and beauty I absolutely adore. And Shraddha Kapoor, you actually know that as well. You know how much I give you love all the time.
You've always been very sweet.
But you know why that is, right? Because I feel it's the energy that you radiate that brings about positivity and beauty, which is all about having it inside and outside. Do you agree?
I feel like also the people you meet, it's like a bouncing board, right?
Yeah.
So you have those interactions with people who you match that frequency with.
True.
Yeah.
But you know, if I have to ask you, Shraddha, what's your earliest memory of like beauty or makeup? Do you have any? Do you remember?
You know, I think maybe not just for me, I think for most of the girls out here, I think our first memories with makeup or beauty is raiding our mother's closet and our mother's makeup kits. So exactly like that is where my journey with beauty started. I remember so vividly when I would hunt for my mom's lipstick, and my mom, you know, she would be like, we'll wait for your annual day and I'll put lipstick on you and all of that. So she would put my favorite lipsticks on me. So that's exactly where it started.
Tell me, you know, is there anything that has been passed on to you from your generations, like from your mum or your masi or anybody from your cousins?
Passed on as in what sense?
Like in a beauty way, that is a hack or a regime that you'll follow even now.
Okay. A hack or a regime? So actually, I feel like my masis, my mum, they're naturally beautiful, okay? And I have seen them not having very complicated beauty rituals. My mom is someone who is extremely minimalistic. She's someone who puts minimal makeup. She doesn't put very heavy products on her face. She's all about eating the right food, leading a simple, healthy lifestyle. So as much as I can take inspiration from that, I really try to, but I feel like I'm nowhere close to how incredibly disciplined she is, and it's very inherent for her. So I feel like when I just observe her, for example, she puts her foundation in a very unique way. She'll use her fingers and it'll be like there is no foundation on her face. She'll not use makeup brushes. She will somehow just use her fingers and
do you follow that as well?
I try to. I don't know if I'm as good at it. I do end up using some makeup brushes as well. But yeah, so I think that I try to keep it as simple as possible.
You know, as a girl, I think you'll agree with me that we all have our good skin days and bad skin days. And
100%.
Then we are like doing extra makeup, less makeup. Tell me, what does Shraddha do on her bad skin days? I need to know. Do you even have those? Or is it only my problem?
No, I think that all of us have those days, right?
Yeah.
But I feel like I really just, I try to own it. I try to own it. I'm like, आज पिंपल है तो है, आज skin उतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा तो है, and just accept. But sometimes it's difficult to do that also because you're like, अरे why has this pimple come on my face? But I think that's a part of, you know, life.
Skin issues are a part of life.
So I really try to own it.
Tell me, what are those 2-3 products that I will always find in your bag if I had to like do a raid of it? They'll be like, Shraddha, क्या है आपके bag में?
Abhi to definitely it'll be my MyGlam Superforce stack, okay? Something that you were sharing with me before we started the interview, which was very cool, is that we were discussing this product and she was like, we all know about stacking jewelry, now it's about stacking makeup.
But tell me, Shraddha, like you're in an industry where you have to like dress up and glam up and go for these events, etc. What do you do to sort of get event ready?
So to get event ready, I have the most incredible team. I'll be very honest with you. They are the ones who spin their magic on me and get me event ready. And my makeup artist Shraddha Nayak, who we have this joke between us that we are married because we have been together. We've been working for so many years together now, and There's Niku who does my hair, Nam who has styled me today as well. So it's just left to them. We have a lot of fun getting ready together. So it's all in their hands.
Do you sort of also like look into like or go on your Instagram or Pinterest and like, you know, put those makeup looks and hair looks and then be like, hey, this is what I want to do next?
You know, I feel like there are certain things that I prefer. Like I prefer less makeup. I prefer, not taking too long to get ready. And something that is me and something that feels authentically me. So that's what I keep in mind.
You know, before I'm going to wrap up and let you go, I have to ask you, Shraddha, what's the importance of self-care in your life and how do you sort of do that to keep everything in check? Because as I said, picking up from the first conversation, beauty is a lot more within also, right?
Self-care. So I feel I'm really trying to prioritize self-care as much as possible. I think कि अभी जो है, I've realized the importance of sleep.
Yeah.
I think right now I am really valuing quality sleep. And you know, that is something that I'm trying to prioritize.
Are you somebody who also meditates?
I do. I do. As and when I remember. I'm not someone who is like, अरे मैं तो ना 6 महीने 1 साल से लगातार no. I am trying to meditate. I'm trying to incorporate that into my routine right now. And I have to say that on the days that I do meditate and start my day, it's a very different day. And I feel more centered and I feel more in touch with myself. It's amazing.
And if you had to just briefly take me to like your skincare routine, what would that be like when you wake up in the morning?
So, I go through phases, okay? Sometimes it'll be a different kind of routine. Sometimes it'll be a different kind of routine. Currently, I'm waking up. I'm trying to remember to have lots of pani, hydrate well. Sometimes I don't remember to do that. And I try to wake up. I try to meditate. I try to get my yoga done and out of the way so it sets the tone for the day. Every day it does not happen. There are lots of days when I'm not able to do that. And of course, cleansing my face, moisturizing and using sunscreen.
Fab. I think that's very important. But well, thank you so much, Shraddha. Totally looking forward to trying out your products and obviously incorporating all of that you've said as well. Hope to chat with you super soon.
Thank you. Thank you.